Welcome to Living Whole with Sarah Davis. This is my YouTube channel where I'm going to show you that healthy can be easy because my whole life is your whole guide to health. I'm an American Naturopathic board certified holistic health practitioner. I've spent the last 4 years traveling the United States, but I have opened my own brick and mortar office in order to show you guys truly that my whole life is your whole guide to health. What you are going to find here are plant-based recipes, health and wellness, as well as lifestyle and travel. And again, guys, I am so glad you're here, so hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the Living Whole meal prep series, as well as livingwholesarahdavis.com for more health and wellness. So 2018 was a huge year for Living Whole. I opened my very own office, which we are in right now, and it has been an amazing experience. And all thanks to you guys. So I am here in my office. It is by special event and appointment only currently. But 2019, we have some huge things coming out, and I am so excited to have you guys here with me, and we're going to have an amazing 2019.